Hello, Attwood New Tech families. This is Mrs. Lee, and I'm going to tell you about a fun math resource that we use at Attwood called Reflex Math. Reflex is a game-based program that helps our students become fluent in their math facts. It has helped our students gain mastery in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts at their own pace. It's important to know about this resource because spring break and summer break are coming quickly. And this is something that students could use at home to support their daily math practice and keep their math facts fresh. Our state standardized test, the M-STEP, it will begin after spring break, so it's important for your child to have resources to help them be ready to test their best. If you would like to support your child logging into Reflex Math, you can have them go to reflexmath.com and click Login at the top corner, Student Login. They will need their teacher's username. If they don't have that information, they will have to reach out to their teacher. And I'm going to type in one that I created for this screencast. Then they will be able to see their class and select their class, and then their name. And then they can enter in their password. And again, if they need this information, they can reach out to their teacher. Once they log in, they will see the Reflex welcome screen, and they will see their avatar and the overall percentage of how many facts that they have mastered so far. I just started this program, so I'm at 30.8, but the more I work in the program, the better I will be. And if I push start, it will take me to where I left off from earlier today. Now you can see that I'm on the game screen, and it took me some work to get here for today. I had to start with a fluency check, which was basically just a lot of math problems that randomly were given to me, and I had to answer them as quickly as possible. And then I was given a coaching instructional activity where it targeted some math facts for me. And then the system determined that I was ready to practice using games. And the better I do in the program, the more I can unlock some of these closed games. At the bottom right corner, you will see my avatar and the number of tokens that I've earned, which I can spend at the store and buy things for my avatar. If I click here, I can see my data pyramid. And the data pyramid is nice because it shows me the number of facts that I am fluent in, not fluent in, and the facts that haven't even been assessed yet. This is good information because I can see my progress, I can see what I need to work on, even beyond this program if I wanted to. All right, so I will close this and we will look at one of the games. It takes a while for the pyramid to close for some reason, but see if it closes. All right. So let's click on Ninja to the Stars and check it out.
Great work earlier today. You're ready for the game. Get in there.
I'm just going to have to answer the questions or the math problems as quickly as I can. You can see it's a pretty fun game. It's engaging. And I really could go on and on. And I hope that you can see how fun that this could be for your child. And I hope that this screencast was helpful for you. If you have any questions about the program, you can ask your child. They might be able to answer any questions you have. You could also reach out to your teacher or to your child's teacher. But I really just hope that you guys can enjoy this experience together. And yeah, have a great day, and thank you for watching the screencast.